Hi guys, thanks for tuning into this car tech video. In this video we're going to show you how to do a mileage correction on a Mazda vehicle. This is the Xtool X100 Pro 2 kit, and I'm going to put a link to this kit in the description below this video. You probably noticed we're not in a Mazda right now. I don't have a Mazda to hand, but the process I'm going to show you is exactly the same in the vehicle that we're in right now. So what you would normally do is you would select your vehicle in Mazda. You need to come out of this section and go into the section with Mazda in, but this is just the European vehicles. So I'm going to select the Porsche. I'm going to select our vehicle and click on to backup and mileage. So select what is appropriate for yourself. We need to click miles, and then this is going to allow you to go through and do a recovery file. So if you wanted to save a file with this mileage information in, then it would do that for you. If you're worried about maybe making a mistake, you can always revert back to this particular file. So you can see we've already made one. It's got 01.bin, and that is our recovery file. So what I'm going to do is click on new, I'm going to click backup because I don't want to create a new file. Fail to save the file, don't worry about that, click OK, and it takes us into a screen here where we can just go through and do the mileage. So if I select the down button, it's going to now give us 6 digits, and I'm going to go to let's say I want this car to read a mileage of 50,800. Okay, it's really simple. It's all done via the diagnostic port. You can see this is plugged into the diagnostic port. So I'm going to say 50,800 is where I want to be. Click OK. Input value 50,800. It's just a confirmation. Click OK to that. Communicating. This is probably all going to drop off and come back on, and you can see we got a new mileage there of 50,783. What did I say? 50,000. Did I say 50,800? I think I did. So it's got us within 17 miles of where we want to be there, which is generally seen as pretty good. You could go back into this tool and you could play around with the numbers, do another adjustment to try and get it closer and closer and closer to exactly where you want it to be. But that's good enough for now. We've got adjustment complete. What we can do now though, if say we weren't happy with that, we could go into the recovery section, click OK, find our recovery file. In this case it's here, there's only one. Click OK to that, click OK again, it'll let it drop off again, and it should put us back to the original mileage 105,657, which it has, and it's now got recovery successful on the screen here. We've got a few warning messages on the screen here. This relates to something completely different. This all relates to a faulty ABS sensor, which I'm waiting for arriving. So as I say, I'm going to put the link to this tool in the description below this video and also in the comments box below. It's a fantastic tool to have if you maybe offer this as a service through your garage or your workshop, or you're a mobile mechanic, or indeed you just wanted to use this tool on your own personal vehicle to change the mileage. Perhaps you've changed the clocks or something else. So thanks for watching this car tech video, and I hope it helps.